Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Fitness with Calisthenic Kyle. Today we are talking about fasting. We're going to go over the benefits of fasting. You've probably heard about fasting before. You can fast from anything. You can fast from water, you can fast from food, you could fast from coffee. Today we're talking about a food fast. And my goal by the end of this video, if you haven't done fasting before, I'm going to try to convince you that you definitely should, and I know that you'll be happy that you tried it out. Alright guys, let's get right into the video. Alright, so you may want to put your tinfoil hat on for this video, but I think we've been fed get fed a lie. You know, you need breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's a bunch of garbage. You don't need breakfast, lunch, and dinner non-stop every single day. You don't have to constantly bombard your body with food. We overconsume everything in this country, and one thing we definitely overconsume is food. So I'm telling you, by the end of this video, you're gonna wanna start fasting. Alright, so now we're gonna dive into the benefits of fasting. First off, I'm gonna give you 4 that don't directly have anything to do with your health. Alright guys? So the first one is it improves your discipline. If you're fasting for 24 or 48 hours, you're gonna be a little bit hungry, you're gonna want that food. And then when you don't give in and don't eat that food, it improves your discipline. So that's number 1, it improves your discipline. Alright, number 2, and this one's probably my favorite, is it saves time. Alright guys, in this life, time is our most valuable resource, it's our most valuable asset. So if you can save time here and there, it adds up in the long run. I love this one. You don't have to worry about food at all that whole day or whenever you're fasting. You don't have to worry about food. You don't have to worry about what you're gonna eat. You don't have to take the time to eat it. Alright, number 3 is it saves money. If you're not eating for a day or two, you're probably gonna save on average, I would say about 30 bucks a day. So over the course of a year or 2 or 10 years of fasting, you're gonna save a lot of money. You could use that money to invest, or you could use that money for whatever the hell you want. But number 3, saves money. Number 4 is you accomplish a goal. Every time you get to the end of your fast, you just accomplished a goal. So, I mean, who doesn't like to accomplish goals? So these are 4 things that are awesome that doesn't even directly have anything to do with your health that are benefits of fasting. So these 4 things alone make me want to fast. So if it doesn't make you want to fast, we'll see. Now we're going to get into the benefits that have direct impact on your health. So now these are the 7 benefits that I have that have direct impact on your overall health that fasting gives you. Alright guys, so number 1 is it's great for your organs. It gives your body a break. Think about when you're constantly bombarding your body with food, it constantly has to process all that stuff. So your organs are constantly working. So if you give your body a break, they have a chance to just like relax and probably repair themselves. So this is a great one. It helps out your organs. Number 2, it's great for inflammation. Like I said, when you go to bed and you have no food in your system, your body gets to repair itself a little bit more. So it helps with injuries. So I just got done with a 48-hour fast and my shoulder was definitely inflamed, and by the end of it, it felt great. So it's an awesome one. It helps with your injuries, it helps with inflammation. Alright, number 3, it can help lower your blood pressure. This one's huge, especially if you have high blood pressure. It's an easy way to lower your blood pressure. All you have to do is just fast for a little bit, and it'll help out your blood pressure. Alright, and the last couple ones I got is it's great for your skin, it improves your immune system, it targets stubborn body fat, and some say that it has anti-aging purposes. You know, I don't know how that one could be, but I mean, shoot, why not? My favorite one is it targets the stubborn body fat. When you're fasting, there's a myth out there that it uses your muscle first, but that's not true. It targets your body fat first. And you can actually go up to, I think, at least 72 hours before your body actually starts using the muscle as fuel. So if you have some stubborn body fat laying around, a good way to get rid of it is to fast for a little bit, and then your body will use that fat as fuel. And now I got a couple tips for you to help you out with your fasting journey. All right, guys, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Water is basically one of the only things you can drink or eat during a fast. So why not drink a ton of water? It's great for your body. Your body is mainly made up of water, so if you drink a lot of water, it's definitely going to help you out through the fast, and it will help you kind of feel full. So drink plenty of water, and then you could drink coffee black as well. At first I didn't want to do this because I needed my creamers, but I'm starting to really enjoy coffee black. Coffee black is starting to, I might just get rid of creamers altogether. It's starting to grow on me. So coffee black and plenty of water, that'll definitely help. And then also make sure the first meal you have after the fast, make sure it's a really good one. Make sure you give yourself tons of nutrition in that one. I usually do a bunch of eggs, get all that protein in, and then I do some type of vegetable juice. Just throw all the veggies in there, make a juice and drink that, eat a bunch of eggs. So your body is basically like a sponge. You'll just take all those nutrients and absorb it. So make sure you have a great meal to break your fast. And a quick overall general rule is you don't want to eat 1 hour after waking up. All right, guys, and then 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed, you want to have zero food in your system. If you have food in your system when you're going to bed, that is no good, because you're laying down, so it's way more difficult for your body to process stuff. So 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed and 1 hour after you wake up. All right, guys, so that was the benefits of fasting. So if you liked the video, make sure you punch the like button. If you did not like the video, make sure you punch the like button. All right, guys, the like button pushes my video out to more people so more people can see it. It helps out the channel a lot. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Goodbye.